everybody. The Festival Foods Mealtime Mentors are here with our Valentines to talk about a really fun event that we're hosting for Valentine's Day this year. I don't know about you guys, but Valentine's Day for us is usually pretty low-key, but we do like to have something kind of fun planned, even if it's just something we do at home after we put our baby to sleep.
Definitely. We are the same way, and we know that many of you will also be celebrating Valentine's Day at home this year. So we thought it would be fun to put together a Valentine's Day date night in event that's perfect for you and your date, or even your entire family. So this is even something that our 2-year-old son could join in on.
Yes, this Valentine's Day date night in will feature a fun and interactive virtual cooking class where I will walk you through how to make a delicious dinner and adults-only cocktail or a kid-friendly mocktail for an at-home date night. So on the menu is salmon fettuccine Alfredo, and we're pairing that with a winter Aperol Spritz.
And along with the cooking class portion, you also get a fun This or That Valentine's Day edition game to play while either sipping your cocktail or enjoying this meal together. And just to show you how fun this game is, we thought we'd play it right here, right now with our dates. So here we go. First on deck, we have Jenny and Mike. Chocolate or flowers?
Chocolate.
Neither. I want sour candy.
Candy for Jenny, chocolate for Mike. All right, surf or turf?
Surf.
Turf.
Guys are the perfect match. Fancy clothes or comfy clothes?
Comfy clothes.
Comfy, 100%.
Definitely.
All right, next up we've got Casey and Ryan. So first, cupcakes or cheesecake?
Cheesecake, hands down.
Cheesecake is not close.
No, it's not.
Not close.
Good answer. How about roses or tulips?
Ryan?
Roses.
That's classic. I really, honestly, if I could choose both, I would choose both.
Both is acceptable. And finally, board game or puzzle?
We play a lot of board games.
It's board games. Yeah.
It's board games, yeah. Alrighty, and finally, Lauren and Dave, you guys don't get out of this one. So we have Conversation Hearts or Hershey's Kisses.
I'm all about Hershey Kisses. I'm not a big candy person, but...
Wow!
I thought they're called Sweethearts.
Ooh, that's a debate. Sweethearts, Conversation Hearts. I think
Sweethearts.
it says Conversation Hearts right here, so...
Yeah.
Alrighty, rom-com or drama?
Ooh, for Valentine's Day, probably rom-com.
Rom-com for sure, yeah.
And then finally, we have red or pink.
Well, what do you think I would say?
Pink.
Yes, pink.
Red for me.
We're talking Starburst here? Because that's a much harder
Oh.
question if we're talking Starburst. But
What was the question?
if
Starburst?
we're talking Starburst, is it red or pink? See, then that gets really difficult.
Yeah, Starburst would be pink, yep.
See, neither. I'm not a candy person. I want the chocolate. So, you'll be able to play this game at home and hopefully have just as much fun as we did. But this is what your game will look like on your little sheet of paper that you'll get to print out with your recipes and your equipment list and your grocery list for the cooking class.
Yes, so you can register for this free event by clicking on the link in the post. After registering, you'll be able to view the class at any time, so you can choose when you want to celebrate Valentine's Day.
I can see that Ollie's very excited. So
Yes.
while you're cooking at home or playing the game, we would love for all of you to post to Instagram stories and then tag @FestFoods for a chance to be featured on our Instagram stories. And after the class wraps up, make sure you complete that post-class survey that you get for a chance to win a $50 Festival Foods gift card.
So from the Mealtime Mentors and our families to yours, Happy Valentine's Day!